If you spill, that means you get thrown out. You're disqualified.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Alright, so ready to start?
Yes.
Alright, go ahead and take your drinks.
Let's stop.
You will wait. Alright, so we're back again today to do our next challenge, alright?
Yes.
We're not so excited today at all. We're not going to bother.
Yes.
So we're ready to do our next challenge?
Yes.
Alright, so you have any idea what today's challenge is going to be? I think me tell a couple of people, alright? What kind of challenge again?
Ginger beer.
So ginger beer challenge, right?
Yes.
And this is going to be all Jamaican ginger beer. Yeah? And see the big product of Jamaica there. Yeah. We're always promoting Jamaican products. So, now give me rules them.
Alright.
Alright? Alright, so first things first. Everybody will get their own buckle. Right? And you're supposed to finish your buckle. When you finish your buckle, that is when the challenge is over. So you're supposed to try to finish first, and that is the way you win. Right? If you spill, that means you get thrown out. You're disqualified.
Okay.
Alright? Alright, so ready to start? Alright, go ahead and take your drinks. You will wait. Alright, keep it right here, so. Cool? So, we're going to start after my count. Alright? So, after me say go, that is when you start. Right? Ready? Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, hold on. I have something to say. I don't have them here, forget. Straw. Everybody forget that straw. Hey! So I'm going to start the countdown again. Alright, so we'll start from 5. Once you hear it go, that's when you start. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So remember, pull your drinks, use your straw, and make sure it's none not throw away. Man can't pull film straw over there, so what go on? 2-time champion OJ versus Raven versus Minimite, the man with the most mouth in the world, versus Rihanna, 1-time champion, who will try to reclaim our crown. We have Raven who will try to win our first one. Minimite, what am I book already? He harsh, that's true. He harsh. If you squeeze the straw, how you don't go through it? You bite your straw, man, that's your problem. Minimite, are you? Alright. Good old ginger beer, a bun out throat. Yeah, man, hot ginger beer bust gas, man. It's good for you, man. Hey, stop it. I force the belch now, Minimite.
Raven.
What a minute.
I couldn't want that. Look at the champion winning.
No champion winning.
No.
Wait, how are you going there, sir? I don't make OJ dust, you know. No, sir.
No, into something.
No, sir.
Into it.
No throw away.
I don't throw it.
Let me see buckle, little left in there,
I'm very full, I can't wear one.
Let me make OJ win again. No, sir.
Yeah.
Well, so what make you rest on the stop? What make you rest on the stop? You back.
OJ, do something.
OJ, drink it. OJ, drink it.
Wait, tell me to look on it. I drew look once. You know, I just got my win. Very full.
Mini, alright, Mini dash your straw. Let's see if Mini can do better without this straw. Mini, do something. You don't have nothing, man. Tell about you already. You have the biggest mouth and you have nothing for back. Mini, want to come to your nose. Mini. Raven buck. Raven have nothing left. Whoa.
Raven buck.
Raven.
OJ, come.
Raven and you are there.
Second,
It's the Raven and the Raven have nothing left.
Finish them like Sub-Zero, man. You don't see yourself. Alright, 1, 2, God, no. Do not make me belly move. You're all ready to get disqualified.
Yeah, man, you get disqualified. You don't have nothing left. See there?
No. Uh-oh. We can't do no.
Dirty Mini. Hey, you're out of competition. Finish your drinks if you want, but you're out of it. We already have a winner. What done?
If me done mine, we go come second.
Second? Alright. So second in competition there.
No. Wait. That no fear. Hold them drink off that.
Me just drink it half here. You do something for do something. You rub up my head with lime. You
That's why I win. You rub up your head with the light.
No. We not do that.
You know why you're not like that then?
Guess what me do? Drink water. Today me that's what me drink 2, 3 buckets.
When I drink 3 buckets, I drink. Say I practice.
Yes, he was.
I'm practice really good.
The only thing you have practice to do is add drinky drinks and spit it out. You don't know where they talk about. See
You
the
couldn't do it. Oh God. You know it again. Don't help me.
Alright, so the series is what? 3-1. So OJ have 3. Riri have 1. Raven have
None.
and Mini might not go ever have none cause you don't have you done you
I don't mind.